Take a ride in the 2020 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, skid plates, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, HD radio, steering wheel audio controls, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, oil pressure gauge, power door locks, power windows, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.